Imagine your kitchen turning into a gadget playground. Tools that save time, protect your hands, and make cooking actually fun. Today on Next Tool X, we've got the coolest kitchen gadgets you didn't even know you needed. Stick around, because these picks will surprise you. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe for more game-changing finds every week. Ever wished your kitchen could stay clutter-free? This expandable dish rack is a total game-changer. It stretches to fit huge pots, pans, plates, even wine glasses, then folds right down to save space. The best part? It has an automatic drainage system that guides water straight into the sink, keeping your counter spotless. Strong stainless steel, sleek design, and a cutlery holder that actually stays dry. Clean, organized, stress-free kitchen, all in one rack. Your ice trays are probably driving you crazy. Stuck cubes, messy spills, freezer smell all over. This new silicone ice tray set fixes it all. The soft bottom pops ice out in seconds. The clear lid keeps everything fresh and stackable, and you can even freeze coffee, baby food, or cocktails in perfect cubes. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, space-saving. Regular oven mitts are boring, but these, they look like giant pasta butterflies, and they actually protect your hands from scorching hot pots and pans. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, they're tough enough to grab a cast iron right off the stove, yet soft enough not to scratch your cookware. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Fun, functional, and guaranteed to get a laugh at the dinner table. These pot holders are a total kitchen win. This Pro chicken shredder rips through meat in seconds. Just twist, and you're done. The sharp spikes and non-slip base keep it steady, while the clear lid lets you watch it work. Dishwasher safe, heat-resistant, and built to last. Perfect for tacos, BBQ sandwiches, or even meal prep for your pets. One gadget, so simple, you'll wonder how you cooked without it. Ever try making pancakes and end up with a sticky, lopsided mess? This genius dispenser fixes that instantly. Just fill it up, squeeze the trigger, and you get perfectly round pancakes, cupcakes, even waffles, every single time. No leaks, no drips, no mess. It's built strong, BPA-free, and even dishwasher-safe. Honestly, it makes breakfast feel pro-level, without the cleanup. Once you try it, you'll never pour batter the old way again. What if I told you washing dishes doesn't need plumbing? This portable dishwasher fits right on your countertop, cleans 30-plus dishes in one go, and even works with just a water tank. With 6 powerful wash cycles, baby bottle-safe steam cleaning, and a built-in dryer, it saves 80% water compared to hand washing. Perfect for apartments, RVs, or tiny kitchens. Once you try it, you'll never go back to scrubbing dishes again. This little gadget is a game changer. Drop it in water, and it kicks on automatically. Using OH-Ion Tech plus rotating water to scrub away residues and harmful stuff you can't even see. No buttons, no hassle, just deep cleaning in minutes. From produce to seafood, grains, even utensils, this thing handles it all. Compact, rechargeable, and safe. It's the cleaner you didn't know you needed. Still scooping rice out of messy bags? This dispenser changes the game. Just press the button and it drops the exact amount you need. No spills, no waste. It holds up to 25 pounds, keeps everything sealed and fresh, and even comes with a measuring cup you can wash rice in directly. Clean, airtight, and space-saving. Finally, a smart way to store your grains. Tired of food going cold before you eat? This smart warming mat heats up in just 10 seconds. Fast, even, and safe. With 4 temperature levels and built-in timers, it keeps your meals perfectly warm, whether it's dinner, leftovers, or even dough-proofing. Non-stick, easy to clean, and safe around kids with a lock and auto shut-off. One gadget that makes every meal feel fresh, hot, and ready, whenever you are. Ever struggle making mashed potatoes smooth? This gadget changes the game. Just load it up, squeeze the long cushioned handles, and boom! creamy, fluffy potatoes in seconds. The deep basket and fine ricer holes give you pro-level texture. And cleanup? Toss it in the dishwasher. Done. Not just potatoes, carrots, yams, even baby food. One tool, endless uses. This genius gadget stirs for you. Hands-free. The StirMate adjusts to almost any pot, keeps food from sticking, and stirs soups, stews, even risottos to the perfect consistency. With a quiet motor that runs up to 10 hours on a single charge, it's like having an extra hand in the kitchen. No more burning, no more babysitting the pot. Just perfectly cooked meals, every time. Every cook knows the struggle. Too much oil on your food, or a messy bottle dripping everywhere. That's where this 2-in-1 glass oil sprayer and dispenser changes the game. With a non-drip spout and a built-in measuring top, you pour the exact amount you need. No more greasy salads, no wasted oil, and when you want that perfect light mist, just pump and spray. Healthy, even coating, every time. This 4-in-1 cordless blender is a total kitchen game changer. It blends, chops, whisks, and even beats eggs, all with one tool. The twistable handle adjusts angles to fit any bowl or cup, and with 21 speeds, you're always in control. USB rechargeable, no messy cords, and super easy to clean. Whether it's morning shakes or late-night salsa, this little gadget does it all. Fast, easy, anywhere. Chopping onions make you cry and take forever? This little gadget does it in seconds. Just load in your veggies, press the knob, and the stainless steel blade spins to give you perfectly even cuts every time. Onions, celery, herbs, even nuts. Done with zero mess. The catcher cup even measures for you. And cleanup? Toss it in the dishwasher. Once you try it, you'll never chop the old way again. Cutting watermelon usually makes a huge mess, right? But this little gadget changes everything. With one smooth press, it slices perfect cubes. No juice splashing everywhere. Then flip it, and boom, you're eating straight with the built-in fork. Made of durable stainless steel, safe on your hands, and light enough to take anywhere. Backyard BBQs, picnics, or just a late-night snack. This is the easiest, cleanest way to enjoy watermelon. Ever fought with a stubborn can and ended up frustrated? This opener makes it effortless. The razor-sharp stainless steel wheel glides through cans like butter, while the oversized knob and soft grip handles mean no more hand strain. And it's not just for cans. Built-in bottle opener too. Ever get tired of soggy salads? This genius salad spinner dries your greens in seconds. Just toss in your lettuce, give it a quick spin, and boom! Crispy, fresh salad every time. It's dishwasher safe, super easy to clean. Just add water, and you can wash your veggies right inside the spinner. And thanks to the 360-degree rubber ring on the bottom, it grips your counter without slipping. Works on everything from kale to grapes. Fresh, clean, ready to eat in seconds. Tired of towel hooks that rip or drop your towels? This innovative towel holder locks them in place with a simple push. No damage, no slipping. Install it anywhere in seconds with strong adhesive or sturdy screws. Perfect for dish towels, hand towels, even aprons in your kitchen or bathroom. Sleek, durable, and available in colors that match any home. It's the little upgrade that keeps your space organized, stylish, and frustration-free every single day. Running out of cabinet space? This genius gadget doubles it instantly. Instead of cluttered mugs stacked sideways, these expandable cup organizers let you safely stack mugs, glasses, even wine cups without drilling, hooks, or damage. They lock in place in seconds, hold everything secure, and they're dishwasher safe, perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or even RVs. Thanks for watching Next Tool X. If you enjoyed these awesome kitchen gadgets, hit that subscribe button so you never miss the next one. And hey, drop a comment below and tell us which gadget you'd actually use in your kitchen. See you in the next video.